Hey everyone, welcome back to another explainer. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic, totally rejuvenating recipe that you can easily whip up right in your own kitchen. Okay, let's dive into this. We are exploring the Carrot-Ginger Detox Tonic. Over the next few minutes, we're going to see exactly how transforming a super simple, everyday set of fresh ingredients can yield a truly powerful detox blend for your body.
Have you ever actually wondered, looking at those high-end juice bar menus, what exactly goes into a powerful detox blend? I mean, it's a great question, right? We hear the word detox thrown around literally all the time in the wellness space, but what makes a blend actually effective? Well, today, we're stripping away the mystery. We're going to deconstruct this specific tonic piece by piece to understand exactly why it works and, of course, how to make it perfectly.
Section 1. Meet the Detox Tonic, the foundation of the blend. Today, we're looking at the highly acclaimed Carrot-Ginger Detox Juice, which is built from the ground up to reset and support your internal systems.
Our source material highlights a core mission here, calling it a healthy juice that is a powerful detox blend. I really want to emphasize that ultimate goal for a second. This isn't just, some random beverage you sip casually. This is a highly targeted, healthy cleanser designed with serious intentionality. Literally, every single drop, every ingredient is specifically meant to support your body's natural detoxification processes.
Section 2. The simple ingredients. What you need. Let's move to and see how this builds, stripping this glowing orange tonic right down to its absolute core raw materials, completely prioritizing total simplicity over exotic superfoods.
3, that is our magic number to start off with. This entire recipe relies on a really solid, earthy base of exactly 3 large carrots. These guys are the heavy lifters of the juice. They provide the bulk of the volume, that incredible vibrant orange color, and an underlying natural sweetness that makes the whole tonic incredibly palatable, without needing any processed sugars or artificial sweeteners whatsoever.
Now contrast those 3 large carrots with our next magic number, 1. Specifically, a single 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. This ratio, it's incredibly deliberate. Ginger packs a serious punch, so keeping it to just 1 inch gives you that perfect, spicy warmth without totally overpowering those sweet carrots we just talked about.
So, here is the complete, remarkably straightforward ingredient list. We've got our 3 large carrots and our 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. To that, the recipe calls for exactly 1 apple. For a bit of complexity, the fresh juice of half a lemon for that totally necessary acidity, and finally, some ice cubes to ensure the tonic is served perfectly chilled and crisp. No weird, hard-to-find powders here, just pure, everyday produce.
Section 3. Decoding the health benefits. Why it works. We're moving from the grocery list to the specific science of why these everyday ingredients were chosen and exactly how they impact your body. Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is how clearly the science of our blend comes together. Let's walk through this matrix. First up, we see our base, the carrots. They are absolutely rich in beta-carotene, which is a really crucial antioxidant. Next, the ginger. This little root brings some seriously powerful anti-inflammatory properties to the mix. And finally, the apples. They bring a double threat of dietary fiber and even more antioxidants to the party. I really want to pause and emphasize the specific role of the apple in this blend. Apples add fiber and antioxidants to actively cleanse the body. These properties literally go to work to flush the system, which beautifully illustrates how every single ingredient has a distinct, functional job to do. It's kind of like a giant puzzle where every piece just fits perfectly.
Section 4. The insider juicing secret: maximize your yield. Having the right ingredients is really only half the battle. Now we're transitioning into the practical, insider method of execution to get the absolute most out of your tonic.
Our source text highlights an ultimate goal for this exact step, stating we need to ensure its spicy anti-inflammatory compounds are fully integrated into the juice. Now, ginger is notoriously fibrous, right? It can be super tricky to juice efficiently. We absolutely do not want those precious anti-inflammatory compounds just getting stuck in the juicer's filter. We need them fully integrated into our glass. So how do we guarantee that actually happens?
Well, it all comes down to a strict chronological process. Here are the exact steps you must follow. Step 1, juice the ginger first. You're going to drop that 1-inch piece right into the shoot before anything else. Step 2, follow immediately with the carrots. Don't wait around. And actually, scratch that. Don't even think about adding the apple yet. Ginger first, carrots second. This specific order is absolutely critical if you want the best possible results.
So the crucial point is understanding the secondary genius of this specific order.
By putting the dense, hard carrots through immediately after the stringy ginger, the carrots physically push all that residual ginger pulp right through the juicer's mesh screen. It naturally cleanses the juicer mechanism in real time, and even more importantly, it completely maximizes the juice yield from both ingredients. You are literally using the carrot as a broom to sweep up every last drop of that ginger goodness. How cool is that?
We've broken down the simple ingredients, decoded the biological science, and revealed the insider technique to get every single drop of nutrition right into your glass. So, now that you know the insider secret, when will you mix up your own Carrot-Ginger Detox Tonic? Will you make it a staple of your morning routine to kickstart your day? Or maybe try it out this weekend. The knowledge is all yours, the recipe is super simple, and the benefits are just waiting for you. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.